Today was such a milestone. We got to collect some huge bales of hay, which we haven't been able to get locally. And thanks to Esther and James for this awesome ute. And the horses were really excited. I can tell you these things are heavier than they look, but eventually we got them into the shelters, which we were so kindly donated by our beautiful friends at Global Ripple. And the horses were so excited, and I got to work out, and it's just nice, so nice now that they've got this beautiful hay. Thank you to Currumbin Valley Stock Feeds for meeting us, and this was just such an awesome day. And I know I use the word awesome so much, but this was just such a great day. And the most fun part of the day was having Clover helping me. Honestly, I didn't catch it all on video, but he was helping me and really getting into rolling the hay. And yeah, it was just such a fun day.